Good morning, children. Last week I had explained you the physical feature, second chapter of geography, that is physical features of India up to Indian Northern Plain. Today I will proceed with Peninsular Plateau, followed by Indian Desert, coastal plains and islands. Now children, here you can see this is the map of Peninsular Plateau. This is India, and this yellow portion you can see, this is a Peninsular Plateau. The whole area marked with yellow, this is the Peninsular Plateau. Now the question arises over here, why this South India or this plateau, Indian plateau, is known as Peninsular Plateau. So as you know that peninsula is a landform which is surrounded by water from three sides. And in case of India, you can see that South India, this is surrounded by three water bodies. Towards its west side, it is Arabian Sea. Towards south, it is Indian Ocean, and towards its east, you can find you can notice this is the Bay of Bengal. So this whole triangular shape is surrounded by three water bodies, and that is why the plateau region which lies in south of India, this is known as Peninsular Plateau. And this is one of the peninsula, this is triangular peninsula. Triangular, it is forming a triangular shape. So sometimes it is also known as triangular. The shape of the Indian peninsula is triangular Peninsular Plateau. Now as the plateau is a tableland. Okay, this is the meaning of the plateau. Plateau is an elevated tableland land type of landform. Means it has the minimum height from mean sea level is 400. Okay, above 400 from mean sea level, landform is counted as plateau. Okay, and at the top they don't have such landforms don't have conical shapes. Either they are flat surfaces at the top or maybe rounded hills. So such elevated flat surfaces are known as plateaus. So this Peninsular Plateau, how it is composed of? It is composed of old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rock. This is the composition, made up of igneous and metamorphic rocks. Now how it is formed? It is formed due to the breaking and drifting of the Gondwana land. Last week also I told you that our South India was the part of Gondwana land. Gondwana land, one of the tectonic plate. Okay. So when this Gondwana land was drifted, was disintegrated into number of tectonic plates. So from that, one of such plate, that was the Indo-Australian plate, that started drifting towards north and was set towards the south of India. So this, in this way, there was a formation of our Indian oldest landmass, that is Peninsular Plateau. Now these are the some other features of plateaus, that plateaus have broad and shallow valleys, rounded hills. Even plateaus are also known for their scenic beauty of waterfalls. Number of waterfalls we find with plateau regions. Okay. Now next, this Peninsular Plateau is consist of two divisions, two broad divisions this plateau is having. One is Central Highlands and another one is Deccan Plateau. Okay, so now look over here. Now children, here in this map you can understand the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau, their location and boundaries and their subdivisions. Children, now here you can see north of the Vindhya and Satpura ranges. This whole area is the Central Highlands. You can see this is the Central Highland. Now Central Highland, towards its west side, northwest side, it is bounded by Aravalli Hills. This you can see, these are the Aravalli Hills. It gives a boundary to the Central Highland from northwest direction. Towards the south, Central Highland is bounded by Vindhya mountain range and Satpura mountain ranges. This is Satpura mountain range and this is the Vindhya mountain range. Further, it has the eastward extension, and towards it is locally it is known as Chota Nagpur Plateau region. Okay, but as we move towards the Central Highland, this is the whole Central Highland, and as we move towards east of the Central Highland, so gradually it becomes narrow. Okay, it means towards the western side Central Highland is broad, and as we move towards eastern side of the Central Plateau region, so gradually it start the width of the plateau started decreasing. Okay, so towards west broad, towards east narrow. Further, this